Hi guys, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday, and we're so happy you are here today. We're going to be doing this cute little card right here. Have no idea what this is called. I was inspired by a card that I saw just on the internet, actually, through a Google search, but it opens up like this. And then there's another little flap here. So this is another way to showcase your designer series paper or to use up your designer series paper. But I thought it was kind of a fun idea. So kind of like a surprise card on the inside. So we're going to show you how to make this. We are using our new bundle. It's the Tricks and Treats bundle in the mini catalog. We're going to be using our little ghost die right here. And I already die cut that right there. We're going to be using the boo right here. So I'm going to take this off because I'm going to show you how I use that. And what's really kind of cool about this is you can make a little bag. And let me show you real quick. In one of our previous videos that we did last week right here, it makes this cute little bag right here. And then it also includes these other dies. You got your, I don't even know what these are, but this is a Frankenstein one. This is the haunted house. I can't remember what these are, but a lot of fun dies. So the stamp set, or the stamp that we're using is the Trick or Treat on here. And we are going to get started. So you're going to take your regular card base right here. And today we're using the Starry Sky. Okay, regular standard card base. Don't forget, we're going to have a link below with all the measurements and everything. So don't worry about following or writing down the information right now. For the front, we're going to go ahead and adhere this to our white piece of paper here. So there's our front. We're going to adhere this. Okay, so now we're going to do the same on the inside. We're going to take our white piece, and what I did here is I cut a piece that measures 5 1/8 by 7 3/4, and then I scored it in half at 3 7/8. Now, for some reason, when I did mine, I have a little bit of a hangover right here. You can see the orange from the inside. You can go ahead and just put this in your trimmer and just cut that off, or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it over so this kind of has a little tiny of a little grab right here for me to open the card. And I don't know why it didn't work out, you guys. It's just crazy. So I'm actually going to turn it this way because I wanted the orange on the outside, the blue on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and put glue on the back of the designer series paper. Now we're going to take and adhere this to the inside of our card. I'm going to take my little ghost that I went ahead and die cut earlier. Now I got all these other little pieces right here. So what I did is I grabbed our foam adhesive sheets. You get 5 sheets right here. And these work really good for die cutting words out and making sure they pop up a little bit, give you a little bit of dimensionals. Now we do have regular dimensionals, but this die was a little bit tiny for me to add regular size dimensionals on, so I just went ahead and pulled out my sheets. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take part of our foam adhesive, take one backing off of that sheet, and then what we're going to do is we're going to leave that adhesive backing on the one side. So our paper, our basic white paper, is on top, and we're going to lay our die directly on top of it like that. We'll take our plate, cover it up. Now you're probably going to have to put it through a couple times. Now I'm just going to peel the adhesive backing off on this. Take out these little pieces that I wasn't able to catch. And then we're just going to place our boo directly over here. Okay, now we're going to take our smallest piece and we're going to adhere this to the inside. Next, what I did for the inside is I punched out a circle in a designer series paper with our 2 3/8 inch circle punch. And then we are using the new Heartfelt Hexagon punch that we're gonna punch out just using a piece of basic white. And that's gonna be where we stamp our trick or treat. All right, the ink that we're using today is Starry Sky. And then we're just gonna take some glue and adhere these pieces together. Now you could always put this over off on the side if you wanted. I thought it looked kind of cool over here, and Kayla agreed as well. And there we have it, you guys. What do you think? Do you like? Isn't that kind of a cool, fun way to display or to showcase the designer series paper? Plus it's a surprise card inside a regular card. So I really hope you like this, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell if you would like to know when we post new videos. Plus, if you would like weekly card inspiration and 5 free tutorials, make sure you join our newsletter. You can find the link to join in the description below. Thanks. Bye-bye.